Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Grace a Crazy Beauty, chapter 24. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Princess Baiman. Right now, she's reading a letter. Who could it be? There's something wrong with General Xiaorong. She is not fearing towards her. Right now, it's right. Let the Vai family investigate. Sure enough, all four are silly persons. Princess Baiman is not. She burned the paper letter that she's reading right now. As for Strovax, sit down. He actually wanted to change Xiaorong's military power. He deserved it too. Right now, what is Princess Baiman thinking? She's going to help General Xiaorong. Tao Tao, the latest policies and opinions from the Hanlin Academy. Well, she was talking to someone else. Yes, I heard that General is hosting a flower viewing banquet. In his sent invitation, return to the princess now. Princess Baiman, is she planning something against them? Right now, looking at her, she seems to be sad. General Xiaorong didn't send the post. It seems that she really missed General Xiaorong. Xiaorong was hosting the banquet himself. Why don't we invited me? The emperor really wants to find husbands for Xiaorong. Well, right now, General Xiaorong can do anything but just to obey right now. It's possible to find for such men who are bright on the outside but dirty on the inside. Now, Princess Baiman was thinking, in the previous life I sat in the queen's seat, checked the old emperor's private treasury. Wansi, who is about to hold a flower viewing banquet, the emperor's private property. Well, right now, this is Shuangxi. Also, have some ingenious devices inside that can trap people. In the previous life, 9 kings used this manner, placed them under house arrest, although Xiaorong was reborn. Well, right now, Princess Baiman, she was really worried about General Xiaorong, especially she knows the two of them are going to be eliminated on the flat in this world. Xiaorong didn't send me any post. Could be that was the palace under house arrest with the emperor right now. Well, looking at it, Princess Baiman right now, she looks really worried. Before to the general, General Xiaorong, it seems to be fine. Also, she was really contained. Emperor sent someone to escort the general after he arrived. Those people did not leave Shuangxi. Well, it seems that everyone is reporting on the two of them. Female official in this village, Nani. All of them were ordered by the emperor. Arrange the size of the flower viewing banquet. Now it seems that everything is really worked off. General Sharon, she can really escape on this. In addition, when the men were investigating the four people, it's discovered that the Five family is also secretly investigating about it. Five family, are they also monitoring these four people? You should be quiet. Won't be discovered by the Five family. Now, General Sharon is making orders. Ayman really couldn't sit still. Record what does she does every day and present it to me. General Xiaorong. Well, she really wanted Princess Baiman at all costs. That's why she want her people to guard Princess Baiman. Servant said yes. Meeting is over, but General, the villain doesn't understand. Since you care so much about the nine princesses, why don't you force invite her door? Seems to be hesitate. Villain can guards unconsciously. Besides, this Shaoxi can trap you at all. Be at the mercy of the person sent by the Dog Emperor. Shuangxi was given the Emperor by his grandfather. Among them, the hidden mechanism, savol, and ingenious work. I live here when I was a kid. When she was young, that's why she really wanted to stay here. And I am familiar with every mechanisms here. 9 princesses. I need to protect the 9 princes at all costs. They don't need to worry about her safety. Because she was really safe there. And I am concerned about the minister. General Xiaorong said to the servant. So make a good arrangement and wait for Baiman to save me, the foreman at the mercy of the old emperor. Right now, General Xiaorong, she was drinking. Also, right now, turns out the next day, the flower feast. Haven't seen you for a long time. All of them are gathering. General Shaorong Place. Phase 2, I've been waiting for you. Eating your third white game. Anchika is Sachi. Well, seems that everyone is lively. They're talking too much, but suddenly, there's someone's arrive on them. Screech sounds can be heard. Riding with the horse and carriages. It was staff in front of the place where General Shaorong was staying for a while. Well, who could it be? Turns out it was it was Cheng Yingnan. She was arrived right now. The cover door has been lifted. Well, it seems that everyone was really surprised. What a handsome and a proud young man. Oh, this man. This is the man who's. It seems that everyone is praising him. Hero comes out a boy. It's a pity that such a good talent who can stand woman as dishonest. Why can't you say that? Well, looking at this man, she looks really disdain. She was belittling. General Shaorong is only a girl, going off all day long. A man can stand having such a woman at home. What's more, as a woman, she still dominates military. Right now, this man, it seems that a woman has a virtue, she must. He was really rushing through. Suddenly, because of her cowardness, well, all of them are having fun. Everyone was laughing. Ha ha ha, the word is in decline. Becoming a dignified Confucian scholar is to be inelegant. Everyone is laughing at this man. Well, right now, he was really look inelegant. Looking at him, she seems to be puzzled. Princess Paimon has already arrived on the place. The poor boy looking on the Princess Paimon. Princess. Mine princess, she is worthy of being legitimate daughter. Was the famous in capital before she got married. But seems that this man has really look puzzled. I mean, how does it feel to be talked about? Now, Princess Paimon want to tease this boy. Behave improperly in front of everyone today from now on. People are talking about you and laughing at you. Do you like these days? You can do anything. Now so many people had been seen your underwear. On yourself, gain reputation as a fierce man. Princess Paimon, she was really tough on saying things like that. That she can say things to the other person. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!